Hi everybody on YouTube. Today is Luke here's first day of school. He'll be starting preschool today, and to celebrate, we're gonna open up a pack of Scarlet and Violet. Yeah, you thirsty? Alright. We start with Rotom. Ooh. Then we got a Pal Pad. A Flippy. We got a Toxel. A rock chest plate. Cetitan. We got a Flaffy. A reverse halo Almamola. A reverse halo Sundial. Ooh. And it looks like it might be Bennett, either regular halo or it could be cosmic halo. I see stars everywhere. We got basic leaf energy. Alright guys, thank you today and wish Lukey here a good luck at school.